Hey, it's Tom. I'm back. I think I found a problem with my audio thanks to your feedback. I started looking at my old cell phone, which I used for my videos, and a couple of days ago, the back of the cell phone started coming off. And so what I did is I took some tape and I taped it so that it wouldn't fall off. Well, apparently, when I did that, I taped over one of the two microphone inputs. So, therefore, I was only able to record on the one microphone input. Well, I took the tape off, I did a test recording, I looked at the recording and looked at the VU meters, and now the VU meters show both channels are working. So therefore, I can get back to making my videos using this old cell phone, which has been working great for me. And the video quality is good, the audio quality was good, but that was the problem. I had taped over one of the microphone inputs. Again, thanks for your help. We shall go on, and hopefully life will be better. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.